Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do another alternate card using elements from the September Paper Pumpkin Kit. So I have got a Lost Lagoon card base. I have got one of the envelopes cut down. It's going to go like that. And then this is one of the cards and I've cut it down to 3 by 3. And it is going to go at an angle like that. And then I've got the piece that I cut off. Goes down here, and I've got a greeting banner, and I've taken a little piece of the copper clay jute and I've just literally tied it around the stem of the greenery piece. So I have to decide what greeting I'm going to put on here, and I think I might put what have we got? Grateful for you. Maybe I'll do the grateful for you on this one. Now, to pick up these little wobbly sayings, or the stamp, I'm going to put it down, face down, and then just pick it up with the block, rather than trying to place it on the block and it can get a bit wobbly. So I'm going to get my Lost Lagoon out, and I'm going to stamp in Lost Lagoon. I could stamp it in the copper clay as well, but I've stamped a few in the copper clay. So let's just go with the Lost Lagoon for this one. So grateful for you, right down like that. And there we go. And I'll close that up and just put that out of the way for now. I used the Cane Weave 3D embossing folder on this piece, and it's actually given it a really neat effect because the paper itself is kind of variegated and it's white on the back. So at the stress points, it's coming through white. So it gives it a little bit of a weathered look. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to flat mount the envelope cutout onto the top of the card base, just centering it. There we go. And this is going to be dimensionalized, and it's going to be dimensionalized on point. And that's why I've cut it down to 3 by 3, is so that I can fit it crossways on the card. So I'm just going to peel the backs off of my dimensionals and just put them over in that little container I have. And now this is going to line up, and I just want to make sure I'm actually on point, and I am. So I'm going to pop that down like that, and then I'm going to put this down. I'm going to put it flat mounted. I'm not going to dimensionalize this, I don't think. Actually, you know what? Let's dimensionalize it. What the heck? Let's just go to town with this and dimensionalize it, because we can. So we'll do that. And I think I'm going to pop a small dimensional just at the top above the cord there. And we can't see that, so that's perfect. Just kind of want to hold that cord in place a little bit. It's just a simple half knot there. And this is going to go down like this. And then I'm going to flat mount this piece. I ran it through the cane folder before I trimmed it down. So this piece is the original size of the card. I'm just making sure that I'm straight, so I just need to lift it up. Yep, I am. And then I'm going to dimensionalize the greeting. Pop it up, and then I'm going to add some of the brushed metallic adhesive backed dots on here, just a couple, just to kind of pop it around. You could use this if you wanted to. You could use it as a masculine card. I'm just making sure I'm in the middle of this one and that I'm straight, and I am. I've got quite a lot of the adhesive coming out of the top of that. So I'm going to use the brushed metallic dots, and I'm just going to pop a couple on the card just a few places just to draw the eye. So there we go. That is our alternate number 2 using elements from the September paper pumpkin kit. So stay tuned for more card ideas.